This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Good morning, guys. It is July 23rd, 2018. This one here, I got a call for AC not working properly. Lady says the thermostat goes from 72 to 50 to 60. Seems a little odd. So I'm going to go over there and see what's going on with it. Usually on that, I'll check the filters and check the charge and then make sure the thermostat's on manual, not on program type of thing. I know it's an older couple over there. I worked for them before. I was there last year. I believe it's a Goodman system. I had put some Freon in it last year with some refrigerant. A lot of guys get bumhurt when I call 410A Freon. I mean, refrigerant, whatever. It's all the same. People understand when you say Freon, refrigerant, gas, all the same stuff. But we'll go by and we'll give it the once over, see what's going on there. Give it the old gun there, Mama. Give it the old gun there. They put new filters in two spots. They were really bad. Another one there too. I'll put these down in the basement. These now the metal goes towards the inside. The metal.
Yeah.
The metal goes towards the inside and it won't blow up like the other ones did, okay?
So I did put that there, somebody else did, some guy.
Look at them things. I mean, they were bad. That's why they blew up like a balloon, because he had them in backwards. If he would have put the metal towards the fan, it wouldn't have did that. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, they were pretty bad. So they were all very dusty.
Yeah, there was a guy that they had here, no longer here. He did some arguments.
Oh, the handyman?
Yeah. And then,
I'll put these filters down solo on the shelf down there. You got enough filters now. Hold a couple.
Come in here and hang you on the phone and talking about George.
We'll set it. It's 410A outside. There's a filter there. There's a filter here. She's cleaning the cover. I'm gonna check the Freon levels.
oh,
Or the refrigerant levels. Now 410A. Pretty sure it's a piston up there. I didn't crawl up in the attic though. There's 3/4 going into that. Look at that fill. I mean, that's big. This guy should have never did that. Check what our wet bulb is inside. practically 67. Outside it's 83, 85, and so 68 wet bulb. Say 85 or 80. 21 degrees superheat. Oh, right there. Good suction pressure. It's not bad. Subcooling's okay. Coil's clean. I cleaned it last year. So our charge is right where it needs to be. We're good. Fine with that. Sweating. That's all I see. Now if it's a piston, you can be within 5 degrees. And if it's a TXV, you should be within 3. So I'm good. Was here last year. Must have a real tiny slow leak somewhere. She needed new filters. That's what it was. Alright, I got it on manual. It was on program, so you know what's going on with that now, I told you. 75 is what they want it set at. Yeah. We should be fine. Alright, have a good day.
You too.
They had the thing on program, and the program was all out of whack. It's all out of cattywampus.